Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Raise Alpaca Habit Tracker. Watch your abacus grows as you build positive habits. If you're using your phone and can't edit the sheets directly, just make a copy to start tracking your habits. Once you're done, you can hide this tab to keep your sheets look cleaner. This spreadsheet has two main tabs, which are Habit Tracker and the other one is Example. Today I will use the example to guide you through how to use this Habit Tracker correctly. So now let's get started. First things first, let's set your start date. No need to wait until the beginning of next month. Start now and you are already ahead in the game. Next, add the daily habits you want to track. You will see a total number of tasks and the number of completed and uncompleted habits for the day. As you check off each task, you will see your abacus start to grow. The more consistent you are, the more your abacus will flourish. Above, you see the delightful chart that visualizes your daily progress. You can also track your monthly progress through the bar chart and percentage displayed. Next is the weekly habits section. You can add your weekly habits here, and when you finish a habit, you can check it off and see your progress through the spotlight chart. The next section is for monthly habits and goals. It works similarly with the weekly habits section, but here you can track your progress through the abacus. Moving on to the mood tracker. Your mood is very important as it helps you better control your emotions and stay positive. In this template, you can track your daily mood using cute icons that represent various emotions. Additionally, you can see the total number of days you've experienced each emotion. Next is a sleep tracker. Getting better sleep can improve your health, skin, and memory. I've included 10 levels for you to choose from. Levels 1 to 4 are represented by red, indicating insufficient sleep. Levels 5 to 6 and 9 to 10 are represented by yellow, meaning that it's relatively okay. And levels 7 to 8 are considered the best amount of sleep, represented by green. You can also input your bedtime if you want. Moving on with our tracking water intake. Drinking more water is beneficial for your skin and can help you lose weight. With this tracker, you can input the amount of water you drink and the glasses will be automatically filled accordingly. Finally, we have the reflection section. Reflection is crucial as it helps you better understand yourself and find ways to improve. Here you can write about what went well and what didn't go well. When you're ready to start a new cycle, just duplicate the template and you can rename the tabs if you want. Then you can choose a new start date. You don't need to delete the old data manually. Just use the delete button. It will clear everything in 1 second. And it is the end of our videos today. But before we wrap up, I want to let you know that the Raise Alpaca Habit Tracker comes in 3 colors: Caramel Alpaca, Matcha Alpaca, and Pinky Alpaca. Each one is available for just around $3, and you can get all 3 for around $6. As a bonus, you can receive a habit tracker featuring a grow cherry blossom trees. The links to purchase is in the descriptions below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.